Finally, the top tire pressure monitoring system is the Haya. This remarkable device stands as a formidable solution for tire safety on the go. The sizable 7.84-inch LCD screen delivers precise data, irrespective of lighting conditions. With an impressive 130 feet stable transmitting range, the need for a repeater is virtually eliminated, guaranteeing uninterrupted real-time tire pressure monitoring. A true standout feature is its 24-hour continuous battery life, courtesy of efficient solar panels and a robust 5,000 mAh lithium battery. This eradicates the inconvenience of frequent charging, allowing you to navigate confidently through all weather conditions. Powered by a high-precision Freescale chip, the system yields accurate data while maintaining minimal power consumption, ensuring dependable readings even in challenging scenarios. It boasts a multitude of alarm modes encompassing air leakage, low-high pressure, high temperatures, data loss, and low battery alerts, all fortifying your safety on the open road. The Haya TPMS is a model of user-friendliness and durability, catering to a diverse range of vehicles from RVs and travel trailers to trucks and motorhomes. Its effortless installation and operation make it accessible to all drivers, while its rugged construction ensures it can withstand the harshest road conditions. With this TPMS in tow, you can traverse the unwavering peace of mind knowing your tires are under constant vigilance, safeguarding your safety at all times. Its pros are: it features efficient solar panels and a powerful lithium battery providing 24-hour continuous monitoring. It has a high-precision Freescale chip that offers accurate pressure readings with amazing accuracy. It includes a range of alarm modes for different issues, and its 7.84-inch upgraded LCD screen displays data clearly. However, there is no option to display tandem trailers, which may be an issue for some users. The Haya tire pressure monitoring system is a comprehensive unit suitable for a wide range of vehicles, including RVs, travel trailers, trucks, and motorhomes, making it a must-have for those who prioritize safety and peace of mind during their journeys. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.